Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you again for joining me. It's always appreciated. Yeah, I am just reaching home from work. It's Friday evening and I don't really have much to do, but I'm just gonna fool around. I decided to I'm gonna start a project which I'm gonna continue into the weekend with. Make some changes to the bonnet of my car. So I'm just showing you the last look and we can basically get into the work. Yeah guys, so the thing set all the time, right? Change is always necessary. What does it come off? Carbon fiber wrapper come off, you see it? So you see how this come off, guys? Come off really good. Nothing left on the car. I mean the bonnet was always old. So what I want to do tomorrow, why I'm doing this in the night, is that I'm gonna sand down this and spray it, because I did not spray it when I was gonna wrap this carbon fiber, right? I just kind of do a body work, sand out it little, but I didn't spray it. I decided to buy another piece of material, which is kind of a surprise. You'll see that later on down in the video. But I just love doing work, so I come home from work and I decided to just tear it off because I'm going to be doing it tomorrow. So you'll see that tomorrow after I'm all done, okay? So I'm going to finish tear off this tonight, probably give it a little more sand, make sure that it's fine and nice, spray it tomorrow, and then probably wait until the other day, the day after that, to wrap it back over again after it's done set. Yeah. Yep, and that's it, guys. So who never know that my car was silver? There's it, it's silver, but this bonnet definitely need to spray over back before I wrap it back. So I'll be doing all of that tomorrow, and then I'll be wrapping it back in a new color, which is kind of a surprise. I won't say what it is now, so watch the entire video, guys, and then you'll see what color is that. Alright, I won't even show you when I'm wrapping it. I'm just gonna show you when it's done. Alright, so you have to watch the video to the end. I'm gonna show you the package I got. I picked up this package a few days ago. I just didn't reveal, but yeah, this is the package, guys. I'm still not gonna show you what is in it, so stick around for the end of the video and you'll see what that is. Alright, guys? Yes, guys, so it's morning time. See it? And this is what I did last night. So I take off the wrap off of this, and I'm gonna do some fixing up of the bonnet right here and spray it before I wrap it back. So this is the original color of the car, as you can see, silver. Stay tuned for the end of this video, and you'll see exactly what wrap I put back onto it. So as it's the work day, guys, guess what? Before I even can touch my car, I got this little Toyota Vitz to work on, and I'm going to do some work on it, then go on to my car. Alright, I just decided to throw it in the video too. We do all of them work here, so it only fit in. Yeah, you that in bro. So what I did here, guys, I cleaned these headlights and cover it back with some headlamp lens, looking fresh again. Yeah, yeah, I'll give me a little rundown on the car one idea, you know.
Yeah, man.
Put it on the channel officially, you know. Yeah, man. Alright.
I want to try that
Light the lights still. And see it? If you take recommendation, you see that? Better. Finally going to work on my car now. Even though I have another car to do some work on in the afternoon here. So let's see how it goes now. Not really worried about up top here, guys. It's really, this is the section here and here that I'm worried about. So I'm gonna clean it off and then I just give it a mist, you know? Okay guys, so my brethren is here with his undercard. We're gonna be installing his spoiler that he bought on Amazon. Yeah, so let's do that and then I go back onto my car. This is the spray I use. Alright. And I just finished spray it. I'm gonna clear it. I'm gonna put a clear coat on it. However, I'll probably just wait until tomorrow. I don't know yet, but let just go and dry. So this is for the undercard. This spoiler came just black, flat black. It's actually a plastic, or what you call it, polyester. I don't know, but it's a plastic. But you know the plastic comes naturally as you touch it. It's just fingerprint and all of that. So it has to be colored, and his car is black as you can see around here. So we bought the spray and I just sprayed it a while ago and waiting for it to be crispy dry, then I can clear coat it because we want to lock the spray on it. I don't want to just have it colored and it, you know, burn off easily. We want to lock the black onto it. So what do you think about the spray, guys? Yeah, looks good. I should have actually showed you before I spray it, but you know, sometimes you're doing things and you're just going through and you know, but yeah, this is it. I'm gonna be boring up your car, you know, guy. You understand? I'm bored of a car.
Sacrilege, brother.
You see? Look, show them the car. See? So we get a pattern, see the box there? Just collect this off of the shipment. And we are dealing with this in the evening now. So we get 6 screws, we get a pattern, and we get a naked spoiler, and we just spray it a while ago. So we are going to bore up the thing now, and just wait until the spoiler ready for drop on point, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. So you know we do everything, right? Alright, so you say we have work with car, right?
Yeah, man, you can board it. I'm signing something.
Show the car.
I'm signing something.
Yeah, you need to sign a waiver, you know, star, because I guess so. And the car, this is your work now. Sign the waiver, alright? Center. Why, all we can tell us that them carry a tin up, blood. Tin up.
Careful.
Man.
We want speed, brother?
So the thinner the car is, the lighter it is. And then the more speed it can go. Yeah. Test them both can enter. Make sure it's alright. I rim it out a little more. Yo, I don't like going on camera on my youth. I think if it's video, you know.
You know, I know.
No, I don't like the camera star. I don't like the camera, you know. Most time I do the thing them, man. I just love show what I do, you know, but not the camera. Not me. Alright. And I done board from the camera. Slant it side. Okay, so we can wash our still, you know.
I'm telling you about that one.
Oh, remember that the bolt I go for, and I really, you know what? Sorry, guys. Guess what? We were wrong. We don't get no nuts on this, just the bolt and the washer, because the spoiler already has a thread. So you're actually gonna thread the bolt from underneath up into the spoiler. So there's no. Right, and it's just perfect. It's perfect.
Should I have a contact more?
No.
I want to take off the washer. I like I call that thicker than the top.
No, yeah, no, man. Here what? So once you get near the thread, you tighten it as tight as you can. So you hold it down. See it? What we can do is, you see the car I bore it from top, you kind of push up the lower level. So we can use kind of say go back here, you know? I think this needs a little bit more remember. So what is going on here now, guys? Almost finished on this car. The night come down, so I had to spin around the car to see get some more light. However, two of the holes that bore wrong, had to do it over back, but it's on now. Everything is good. Looks good also, you know. I think it fits the car. What I'm gonna do now is to connect that third brake light. I know we have one there, but I think we can put another one onto the car. Too much brake? No, there's nothing else too much, right? So I'm gonna deal with this. Get some light in the brake light, and the light on that, and then just finish up for the night. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, spoiler look good. So you know, say, peeps, you know, say it's another day, another night it's done, and my car not done it. So I wake up early morning and Sunday morning and see if I can start up my car. Yeah, the bad light catch me, you know, but I got one more work done. Check out the spoiler. Oh, that look. Yeah, man. Fit it, man. Yeah, man. Bright, bright. Yeah. Oh, wait, the shut out the car? Oh, raw. Forgot to say hybrid. Yeah, man. Alright, bro. Yes, guys. So, you know, so this is the morning. It's the wrap. Yeah. So, the bonnet dry and nice and ready for the wrap, you know. So, in the next few minutes, guys, you shall be seeing what I shall be seeing. That's all? Yeah, man. Yes, guys, this is what you've been waiting for, right? This is what you've been waiting for, man. You watch it to the end, or to this point, this is what you've been waiting for. What is this? Forged carbon wrap. So, this is a forged carbon wrap, guys. And yeah, I love this look, man. I don't know, for some reason the forge just look so good. Yo, come, tell me in the comment what you think about this look. Tell me what you think about that. Alright, guys, I want to hear from you. Also did the spoiler. So that's what is happening. I need to change those wheels to black. What do you think? And that needs to go. I need to put on a pair that looks like this and get the outside in all grey and black. What do you think? I'm loving it, guys. Lip that was torn off in the patrol. I ended up to make a little middle section there, and then I also wrap that. So now that the car looking good and nice, you know where I roll to now. I like a park and chill. You know, the usual spot. See if we can just chill out for the evening. I'm merging them. Alright, so I'll catch you down on that link.